Hey there, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, friends. This is a short video. We'll talk about some technicals that I have seen which may probably be of help to give you some new ideas. Again, these are all my personal opinions, not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence before putting any money into the market. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. I want to take you to the trading platform, and today I have a whole lot of things to talk to you about. This will be a very short video, I promise you. I'm going to talk about SMCI. I'm going to talk about Tesla, double bottom, price target. I'm going to talk about Microsoft, cup and handle target, Palantir, FNGU, Amazon, and Meta. These are the things I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to talk about in a separate video after this about CRISPR and where it is right now. And with that said, let's go to the TradingView platform. Well, here we are looking at the TradingView platform. This is the chart for SNMC, that is super microcomputer, and we are looking at candles that are 1 week in duration. So each of these candles is 1 week, and in that time frame I can see that we are forming a bullish pennant out here because this is being formed on a bullish trend. So it's most likely to break out on the upside. So this is how I visualize it. So in my opinion, we have a bullish pennant out here, and in the next few weeks, we are likely to break out on the upside because most of the times bullish pennants break out upside. For the time being, on a weekly scale, we are seeing a little bit of weakness in the momentum, but we are seeing the MACD going towards the signal line, trying to cross over to the bullish side. However, if we change this to a daily time frame, I'm just going to recalibrate the screen, and then if we come out here, we can see that we have improvement in the momentum, and also our MACD is bullish. So for a 24-hour time frame or a daily time frame where each candle is a 1-day candle, things are looking even better. So things are on the mend for SMCI in my opinion. So now if you look at Tesla, you can see that we have got a double bottom out here, and the double bottom will give us a target price of 205.11 in my personal opinion. So right now we are at 196 for Tesla. We are looking at around $4 to $8 of potential gains still left in Tesla. And you can see that there is room for the momentum to go up. The RSI still is not overbought. And the MACD is also bullish, moving away from the signal line. So once again, I think in my opinion, Tesla should reach somewhere around $200 to $203, something in that range. And that's my second idea out here. And then I would like to take you to Microsoft. Yesterday we had seen Microsoft, and where is it out here? Okay, here we have. So in case of Microsoft, on a daily candle, we can see that we still are making our way towards 461, which is our target for the cup and handle. Today we are at 455.91, so we are looking at a potential gain of around $4 still in store for Microsoft. You may say that the RSI is overbought and things have got to go sideways, but remember, I have this red line of resistance here based on how much Microsoft is able to go above the 70% on the RSI. So there is still room from that perspective. The MACD is also a little bit weakening out here, so that could give a little bit more ammunition to say that we are going to go sideways. But overall, in the bigger context, I think that we are trying to reach the price target of 461. Now, if I take you to the weekly time frame and get you back into Microsoft, so you will see that we have had two cup and handle targets. The first one was giving us a target of 465, and the second one is giving us a target of somewhere around 462 or 463. So I'm thinking that Microsoft definitely will move in that direction. So that's what I have to say about Microsoft. Next, I want to look at Palantir. And in Palantir, again, on a weekly chart, you can see that we have a cup and handle target of 31.70. Palantir is at 24.96. So I'm thinking that we still have around $3 to $4 worth of gain in Palantir because we are still moving towards that direction. Our next resistance for Palantir is 25.44, and if I was to go into a daily chart and then look at the momentum, it's very strong momentum. MACD is tending towards the signal line in a bearish manner, but I'm expecting that if I look closely, I can see that there's a dark green histogram out here, which means it's starting to move away from the signal line in a bullish manner. So Palantir is looking good to me here at this point of time. And the next one I want to talk about is FNGU. So if we look at FNGU and if we go to a weekly time frame, I'm just going to adjust this for calibration. So we have met and exceeded our reverse head and shoulder target, which was 436. Right now we are at 455. So that sounds like a good situation to be in. And even in terms of MACD, we are still bullish, and in momentum there is plenty of room for us to go up. And I'm going to go back into a one-day time frame for this ticker FNGU, and it seems like we have recovered all the losses that we had in the last week or so, and things are looking pretty good for FNGU on the charts. So FNGU is doing well, and Amazon is still making its way to the cup and handle target. For that, I will take you to the weekly time frame and just help TradingView to recalibrate itself so that it can give us a good chart. So each of these candles are a 1 week candle, and you can see we are above the line of support of 189.18. Our momentum is looking pretty strong and it's going up further, and MACD is also almost ready to cross over to the bullish side. So Amazon is looking good, and the price target for Amazon is 204.27. We are at 195, which means we have got around another $9 worth of room to go ahead. And the next one I want to talk to you about is Meta. And when we look at Meta, you'll see that we still have a cup and handle target of 543.38. We have 520.31 on the boards out here. So we have got somewhere around $22 worth of gains still remaining to be made. So I think 22 to 24 is the projected gains still on the table for Meta, in my personal opinion. So my friends, so those were all the things that I wanted to talk to you about in today's video. Again, these are all my personal opinions, not financial advice. Technicals is just one part of the whole equation. Then there is fundamentals, and there are geopolitical issues, market economics and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like to me. I'm not saying go ahead and buy these shares and it's definitely going to meet those price targets, but these are aspirational price targets that is potentially possible due to the way the technicals look like to me. With that said, my friends, I'd like to hear from you what you think about this. Put it in the comment section. Love to hear from you. And I'll catch up with you again in the next video, where I'm going to talk about CRISPR therapeutics and how it has recovered.